to remove the fear of the competition, another good thing is that you have to collaborate with a person who are 1 step, 2 step or 5 steps ahead of you. Because when you let's say you are creating a content and you have a fear that someone else is, he has 5k followers, 10k, 20k followers, and they are good content creation, better content creation, or bigger content creators than you. So what you have to do, you have to collaborate with them. How you have to collaborate and why you have to collaborate? Because if you have that fear that he has that many followers and he is bigger than you, this fear will never end, because when you hit 10k you'll fear 50k, when you hit 50k you'll fear 1 lakh. So this, it will go on, and you will have that fear for lifetime. So what is the best thing? that you have to collaborate. Collaborate means what you have to do, tell people, ask people to join your show, go to their show, go to their Instagram lives, or whatever things, or collaborate any type of collaboration. So when you have a collaboration with the person who are already 5 steps or 10 steps ahead of you, you will have no fear, because the person who are already successful or who is already bigger than you will help you, because he has collaborated with you. That's the simplest way to remove the fear of the competition.